Hello guys, this is your girl Sassy. Today I'm out coming to do one or two shopping for my video. Actually, I'm coming to do potato stir and I need some few ingredients. I have some of the ingredients at home, so I'll be needing one or two ingredients. So guys, let's get going. I'm going inside, and as you can see, we are not in the normal time, so I'll max up, then we get shopping. my people, as you can see, I have my things here with me. I'm done shopping, so catch you in the kitchen, okay? Have any favorite food in mind? If you have, just leave it in the comment section. I hope you know how to do it, because most people don't know how to do their favorite dish. They just know the name of the food, that's all, and they know it's their favorite. But me, I know how to prepare my favorite food, Papa. Hey, you, one of these days I'll show you how to do it. We have types of it, so I will show you, don't worry. I hope it's only girls here. So girls, let's gossip about the guys. Hey, do you know that most guys say they have favorite food, but they don't even know how to cook it? I tell you, men don't know how to cook. Charlie, I'm telling you, men don't know how to cook, most of them. But I mean, my favorite food that can be prepared by my dad, because he showed me how to do it. My dad is a good cook. But some guy that I know, hey, he can't even boil water. Can you imagine? Okay, so mommy is a Sansa. So guys, I'm done. I'm going to chop them. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll cut it into 2 equal halves like this, then go with it. Okay. There's this friend that I have. I said he doesn't know how to cook, but the way this guy can talk, he will tell you his favorite food is jollof and goat stew, and with this, is it something sauce? Hey, but guys, if you ask him to boil water, that's another story. That's a different story for another time. Let's leave that. So I'm done with my potatoes. So I'll wash it small. And since I have my water on fire, I'm going to put them inside straight away. Please, while doing this, make sure you don't hurt yourself, since the water is already hot. Okay. So let me add small salt to taste. So now that I'm done with the potato, I'm going to chop my pepper. I'm going to use only half of this red bell pepper. Okay. And half of the onions. Okay, so this is how I'll do it. I'll chop it this way. I'll slice them. Yeah, let me put it that way. So as I was saying, this guy will tell you my favorite food is what do you call it, jollof, but he doesn't know how to cook jollof. So if you know how to cook jollof, guys, help me. Just comment, leave the process or the method inside the comment section. Just leave it and let's help a friend, because I think I have a competition with him. Yes, I'll bring him here. He'll come and cook the jollof for us to see. So I'm chopping the red bell pepper, as you can see. It's chopped, and the onions, so it's just half. So yep, I'm done. So guys, I hope you support me. So those who are in support of me, just give me a thumbs up in the comment section, and you see that day, it will be like you. Let's wait for that day to come. Okay, so I'm done. Yeah, let me put this thing somewhere, and let's check on the potato. Okay, so our potato is done. So I'm going to take it and start with the actual process. So now the potato is done. I'm going to start with the actual process. So I have my saucepan on fire and I have my silicone spoon. Guys, this spoon is good though, so you're gonna look for one and buy, okay? If you need one to, just holler me in the comment section. I'll help you out. So I have my oil here. I'm going to pour in the oil. Okay. Let's wait it to heat a bit. Then I'll continue with the oil. With the onions. So as I was saying, a lot happened this Christmas. Charlie, I went to this house. And the woman had 3 kids. They are all boys actually. And since it was Christmas, she cooked for the whole family. And she started sharing. So the oil is in. Let's wait for it to heat a bit. And I'll add my onions. So guys, as I was saying, this Christmas a lot happened. I went to visit a friend, and there's this woman who lives in their house. The woman cooked that day. She cooked, so I think she has about 4 kids, and one of them brought his friend to the house. Hey, this woman was sharing food. Let me just in Chi. I'm sorry if you don't understand Chi. Chi is a Ghanaian language, so if you don't understand it, I don't know what you will do, but maybe next time I'll say it in English for you to understand. So this woman was sharing, that's all Chi, you know. She kept on sharing. They brought out 5 bowls. So that means one for the woman and the other 4 for his kids. So the friend who was invited to the house was sitting somewhere. He looked at this woman after a very long time. Like she'll be calling her kids. Oh, coffee, then the person will papa and go to the food. And she will mention again, baby, come for your food and come to go for his food. The guy said there, the woman wasn't mentioning his name. And so he was like, when it was left going on, he screamed, he said, hey, ma, now why not name video? Because maybe she won't know. Because he doesn't say that the woman will share the food and he will not get some. So guys, that was just by the way. So I'll put in my meat now. As I said, it's already cooked, so I'll put it in and give it just a solid fry. Everything is already cooked, so I'm not going to cook it for long or fry it for long. Okay, so my seasoning will go in. I have white pepper, natural spices, and the Cayenne pepper. So I'm going to add everything. Then the rest of the pepper will come in. I say the rest of the pepper because you know this is red and green bell pepper. So that's why I said the rest of the pepper. So guys, just to do this at the medium heat. So you don't have to do it on the maximum, because otherwise you will just burn everything. So that was what happened this Christmas. So as you can see, everything is almost done. So I'll add a pinch of salt, just pinch. So guys, please, what I said earlier, if you are in support of me with the competition, the jollof competition that would come on it, you will do it here, don't worry. So if you are in support of me, just type Sassy! Let me see if you're not in support of me. You don't just say anything because I don't want to see anything. Yes. So if you see the guys and the ladies, you are saying guys don't know how to cook. And I'm saying ladies know, we know how to cook more than a guy. So if you have any, as I said, if you have any favorite dish, just leave it in the comment section and let's talk about it. So my potato will go in. Okay. Everything's in. You have to stir it for 2 minutes, then everything will be done. Okay guys, so we are done with the potato stir fry. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope you enjoy that section. Yes, this episode was so, should I say, stressful. I enjoyed myself. I hope you did. If you did, just give me a thumbs up in the comment section, and I'll be leaving all the ingredients and its measurements in the description section for you. So thank you so much, and remember, you're not in normal size, so stay safe, put on your nose mask and sanitize your hands anytime you come in contact with anyone. So we meet again. I'll say bye. Oh.